What time is it? Oh no, it's 7:30. I am late for university. Professor will short my attendance. Where is my bag? I cannot find my notebook. I am getting very late.
Good morning, dear.
Good morning, Mom.
Sit down and eat breakfast.
Mom, I am late today. The university bus will come soon.
At least drink some milk.
Okay, Mom.
I hope the bus is not gone.
Good morning. Come inside the bus.
Morning. Find a seat anywhere.
Thank you. Hi. Why are you late today? I woke up late.
Oh, really?
Yes, my alarm rang, but I was sleeping. Finally, we reached.
Oh, our class starts in 5 minutes.
Ooh, let's go quickly.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we will study English communication.
I need to write fast.
Can anyone answer this question?
Sir, the answer is communication.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. Classes are finished. I am very tired today.
Same here.
I just want to go home and rest.
Thank you. How was your day? It was busy but good. Did you attend all classes? Yes, Mom. How was your day?
It was busy but good.
Did you attend all classes?
Yes, Mom.
Now I feel relaxed. But I still have assignments. This assignment is difficult. I must finish it tonight.
Finally, my assignment is complete. I am so tired now.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.